Hi, I'm Kenny from One Living. So today I'm going to introduce Hizero, the world's first 4-in-1 floor cleaner. So they can perform sweeping, mopping, drying, and also self-cleaning at one time. So that means when you turn on the machine, the four functions is work together. So no need to clean separately, you no need to do any other things. The important thing is this tank is for the clean water. So you can add in the detergent that come with inside the box. And this tank is for the dirty water. So when they full, they have a sensor up there, red color. So you just open, for the trash. What trash also? Maybe Maggi, spaghetti, biscuit. So all the thing you one time you mop, the liquid will be at the dirty tank, and all the trash will be up here. So you just take out this one. They have give you 3 plastic cover, so you just take the plastic cover out and throw away. And this is the new one. Just put it back. Close. So for this machine, you just need to charge for 4 hours, and they can use up to 80 minutes. So this cleaner, they can clean up to 1076 square feet in just 8 minutes. So if you are interested in this product, please visit any of our One Living in maybe Seri Petaling, Malacca, Ipoh, Klang. So we are ready to serve you. Thank you.